up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. Today I thought I would do a review for some gumbo mix for you. It's a boxed mix. This is it, in fact, right here. A Cajun Life. All right, now, one of my all-time favorite seasonings when it comes to seafood is A Cajun Life seafood rub, all right? And they've also got some other rubs too. But I was running out of this, and I wanted to go order some more, so I went to their website, and I'll put a link to it down below in the description for you. But while I was there ordering the rubs and stuff, I found out they've got these new mixes. So I got me some gumbo mix. They also have red beans and rice mix, and they also have a jambalaya mix. And they've got all kind of other stuff on their website too. Y'all go check them out though. And I bought this stuff myself, just so you know. It's not a paid advertisement or anything like that. I just wanted to do a review for you, let you know how it is, because I love this seafood rub they make. Let's get to it. All right, folks, we're just gonna follow the directions on the side of this box here for the gumbo mix. It says to add 4 quarts of water to a stock pot and bring it to a boil. That's what we did here. Add all the meat and the contents of the package to the water and then stir well. Lower the heat to a medium-high, cover, and continue to boil for 30 to 45 minutes or until the meat's fully cooked. And you also need to make some rice because you serve this over rice. So what I've got here, I got some just some beef sausage. Andouille would actually be better, but my wife doesn't like it, and she also likes quarter-sized pieces, bite-sized pieces of the sausage. So I just cut the links, cut the links and then halved them and halved them again to get these quarters. And I've got 2 breasts of chicken that I just kind of cubed up. Again, bite-sized pieces. I think what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and add this mix, just so that I can get it, so that's what you get inside the box. So I'm just gonna whisk this in, make sure it gets dissolved pretty good. Come on, hang on, let me grab a knife, folks, hang on. All right, got me a knife here. Pour this mix in. Looks like a dried roux, powdered roux here. Boy, it sure does smell good. Holy cow. It's got dried garlic, dried onion, some spices, dried celery, dried bell pepper. So it's got all the stuff you need in here already. I'm just gonna whisk this in a little bit. Yeah, mix all that together. Alright, I think that's mixed up good. Now, I'm glad I added the powder mix first, because it would have been difficult after you add all your meat, in my opinion. So we're going to go in with the sausage. And if you wanted to, you could pre-cook your sausage to get the fat rendered out of it. But I just figured if the fat comes off, I can skim it off the top. So no big deal. Go ahead and put my meat in. My chicken, I mean. Give it a nice stir, and you can already see some of these bell pepper flakes and onion flakes and garlic flakes rehydrating. And for that matter, you can go ahead and cook your chicken ahead of time too, or use leftover chicken in here. It would be wonderful. Man, I should have got some andouille. This is smelling so good. So bring her up to a boil. Turn it down to simmer with the lid on it, and just let it cook for about 45 minutes or whenever the meat's done. We'll bring y'all back when it's getting close. All right, this gumbo's almost done, and I was fixing to pour me some sweet tea, and I went to go reach for my insulated cup, and I remembered I had this. As many of you know that have been with me for a while, I love supporting my fans. If you've got a business going, or if I can do anything to help you out with your business, or videos or whatever, I'm here for you. All you have been there for me, so I try to return the favor. One of my fans, Ryan, contacted me by email recently and said, man, my wife does some really good artwork. She paints wood on, it's paint, and then she covers it with some kind of I guess acrylic or something. But it's you have to wash this by hand. But anyway, just look at this, man, this is gorgeous. So Ryan's wife, Jessica, paints on these insulated cups, okay? So she's got a Facebook page. You can go and order you some of these wonderful cups, man. I'm telling you, this is wonderful artwork on here, man. See, you got a nice knot on it right there. Nice wood grain. No, they're not on that side. And they're all unique. These are hand painted, folks, and she's even got my logo on there, as you can see. Truly appreciate it. Wonderful artwork, man. BB&J Designs is her company. Y'all go find them, facebook.com/BBJ Designs. Link will be down below for you. Show her some love. Tell Jessica T-Roy sent you. If you see Ryan or talk to Ryan, tell him thank you. I'm going to email you, Ryan. I truly appreciate it. And Jessica, thank you so much. I love this. Let's get back to the gumbo. All right, it's been 45 minutes. Let's see how this gumbo is looking. Tell you what, my kitchen sure does smell good. And I did wash the spoon, okay? Yep, it's got some grease. Not a whole lot of grease on top. That's looking really, really nice. Real nice. I'm going to scoop this grease off the top here. Just, you know, skim it. Skim all this grease off the top with a little spoon here. Let me get that done. I've got some rice making and steaming up. We'll bring y'all back when I'm fixing me a bowl. All right, I think we're about ready to see how this tastes. I'm loving all the different bell peppers and onions and garlic and stuff I'm seeing in there. It really plumped up once it rehydrated. I've got just some plain white rice I'll put in this ramekin. Show you how to make it kind of fancy. Put your rice in a bowl. Oh, I need some filet. Hang on. Let me go get some filet. I was about to mess up, y'all. There you go. Gumbo filet right there. It's ground up sassafras leaf is what it is. But this will help thicken your gumbo. You don't put this in the gumbo, you put it over your rice. Sprinkle it a little bit on there. Kind of like so. Now you put your gumbo in here. I mean, y'all check that out, folks. That is scrumptious right there. Just like that. Get you a lot of that juice in there, man. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's give this a try. But I'll tell you what, that sure looks good right there, doesn't it? Yum. Give it a taste. Alright folks, let me show you how you fix this up real quick. Bring you down just a little bit. You can see what's going on. So, you mix all this together with the rice, sassafras, all your good stuff in there. Might need some more juice. Some more of that gumbo. Yeah, baby. Chicken's tender. Cool, man. Alright, let's give this a try. Doesn't that look beautiful? Got your mouth watering, don't you? Ha! Alright, let's taste it. Alright, time for the taste test. Let's see how good this really is. Tell you what, I'm just gonna go with some rice and some gumbo, not the chicken or sausage right now. Got me some of that bell pepper. That's good stuff. I think it needs a little bit of salt for my own taste. It's really, really good. It's got a slight kick to it, but man, that gumbo base, that powder that it comes in this box, that stuff's jamming along with all the different herbs and spices and stuff in there, seasonings. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this all-purpose Cajun seasoning from A Cajun Life. Touch it up just a little bit for my own taste. But folks, this stuff the way it is in the box, that's jamming. Really, really good. Now let's taste it again. It's still hot. Yeah, that's all I needed. For my own taste, a little bit of salt. This stuff's good all-purpose seasoning too, man. I'll tell you what, their seafood seasoning, y'all get you some of that. And try out this gumbo. Links will be down below. And Ryan, appreciate you and your wife for hooking me up with this glass. I love this thing. I love me some sweet tea too. All the links will be down below in the description box. Hope y'all check them out. And be sure and tell Ryan and his wife hello if you stop by and get you one of these pretty glasses. Thanks again for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you want a quick, easy gumbo meal, I mean, it's weeknight. You know, it's a work night. Cold and rainy. I just didn't want to be on my feet for an hour making homemade roux. This stuff, trust me, it's good stuff. Just a little bit more salt for me, but it's good. Nice little back end kick too. You know, not overly kicking. Kids can eat this, it's good. But very easy, and you get that rich, authentic gumbo flavor from the powdered roux, I guess is what it is. Really good, great color. Love the flavor of it. Y'all go check them out. A Cajun Life. Link will be down below as well. Hope y'all enjoyed it though. Y'all give me some thumbs up if you did. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. Love me some sweet tea. Cheers. And Happy New Year.